Yo, hey everybody. So common issue I see a lot of is the dreaded dropper post. You push on it, not even hitting the remote lever, and it's pushing down all by itself. You sit on it, it pushes down. Looking at the lever here, I'm noticing there's a lot of dead throw. So the cable's not, what this tells me immediately is that the cable's not flowing through the housing easily. So my first thought is, oh, the cable's just jammed up. So I'm going to check it just to make sure. Loosen up the seat collar, and yeah, you can see this one's all the way almost in. Happens a lot when somebody adjusts the seat post height or whatever. But took off the remote from the bars, and as I pushed the cable in and pulled the seat post out of the frame to give it a further inspection, I noticed that, yeah, there's definitely some witness marks of the cables all kinked up and coiled, bent up. So this is something you can test at this point. Just unhook that, super easy on these Fox transfers. Just unhook the cable. You can hit that little actuator and check the seat post on its own, but lo and behold, once I pulled it out, you can see that all that dead throw is gone. So that told me immediately I didn't even have to check any of that other stuff. I checked it, and basically we just got to reroute, smooth out the transition of this cable through the frame. I put some tri-flow on here. That was another thing I noticed, is that the cable was very stiff. It seemed like it had been in there a while, and then somebody decided to maybe lower the seat post an inch or two and just jam the cable in there, and so that's what caused the main issue. But if you look there, just maybe an inch or two below my thumb, I put some fiber grip on the post where it clamps to the frame, and you don't want to clamp that thing super tight. You get it too tight, and then that'll bind the seat post up as well. So yeah, I got that guy in there, and then kind of you want to test as you're putting it in just to make sure you don't have that dead throw in your remote. And sure enough, got it all mounted up. Feels pretty good there, no dead throw. You can fine tune it if you need with a little barrel adjuster, or if it's whatever with the clamp itself. But just giving it a little test here and pushing on it, and push the remote, and it's blows nice and easily. So we're back in business. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you're having this issue, this is super common, more common than you would think, honestly. So yeah, check for some other videos that I have, or yeah, whatever. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.